Hey guys, so I'm still in my PJs, and I'm so sorry I haven't been posting lately because I've been busy this whole week. I've had sleepovers every day this week. So I am getting glasses this week, the week coming up, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial, a makeup tutorial for makeup on how to do like makeup for glasses. And this is what the makeup's going to be. It doesn't look very, I don't think it looks very good right now because I just made it up. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that once I get my glasses, like the day I get my glasses, if I can, I'm going to be doing it. And again, oh man, let me go in my bathroom. Okay, so I got my tips tied. Yeah. The bathroom's a mess. But anyways, yeah, so look out for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed the week. And yeah. Oh yeah, this is what I was gonna do. Okay, so I got some new makeup things today, like just today, and I'm going to show them with you. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. First, I got this cute little thing. It comes with all of them. And this is a blush. This is a powder brush. This is a blush brush. This is an eyeshadow brush right here. This is a sponge applicator right here. And this is a lash and brow groomer. This is just for lip brush. This is a lip brush. Alright. I also got some NYX liquid black liner, which I'm wearing right now. Then I got some new primer, and it's downstairs right now, so I can't really show you guys. This isn't really makeup, but it smells really, really good. It's this vanilla candle, and oh my god, I can't tell you guys how good it smells. It smells like cupcakes. You see that cupcake right there? It smells just like it, and it smells so incredibly good. I really recommend getting this. What else did I get? I'm pretty sure that's it. I hope you guys want me to do this. And yeah, so I guess I'll see you later. And if I can find the password and username for Jay'sWay01, I'll try to be posting on that, but I totally lost it. And I might be posting, what's my school bag thing? Here's my school bag. It's an Abercrombie & Fitch one. So yeah, okay, so be looking out for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and bye!